Now last method, how we can get the union of set. So the union method is used to return a set that will contain all the items from both the set excluding the duplicates, that is union. Let us create two sets. Here is set 1 and here is set 2. Okay, to get the union, let us create a new variable. Let us add a new variable. Okay, let us create a new set, and within that use my set 1 dot union, and in bracket set the second set. That's it. Now print the new set, that is our res, and right click and run it. Okay, so now it will print the union, that is all the items from both the sets excluding the duplicates. Here it is. We have printed set 1, set 2 and all the items from both the set, okay, excluding the duplicates. Okay, so herein John was a duplicate. Okay, I'll show it here. John was a duplicate and Steve was a duplicate. Okay, so it has printed all, but it has printed the duplicates only once. That means excluding the duplicates. In this way you can get union of set in Python.